Hi guys, my name is Addison LaVoy. I am a 2-year student in the Electrical Engineering Technology program here at SUNY Canton. I am currently in my 2nd year of the program, and I'm going to be graduating this spring with my 2-year degree. I really wanted to show you guys what I've been working on in my telecommunications class, which is taught by Dr. Frimpong. So we had the task of constructing an AM/FM radio receiver, which, as you can see, this is mine. This is the front. And then this is the back. A lot of soldering joints. Looks complicated, but I promise once you have that foundation from the lecture, it goes by like a breeze. It's super easy. So, oops, there we go. So in our class, we really focused on different aspects of telecommunications, such as fiber optics, frequencies, signals, and in this case for our radio, amplitude modulation and frequency modulation, so AM and FM. Discussing that with our radio, in our lecture we were able to really focus on the theory and understanding the background of each of those, as well as in our lab we were really able to understand it and see the workings of it, and which is what was really nice and beneficial for our radio. So in our radio, we have a series of sections within our amplitude modulation and our frequency modulation. So for our AM section, we had our audio amplifier, our AM detector, our second and first AM intermediate frequency amplifiers, our AM mixer and oscillator, and then our antenna. And then for our FM section, we had a radio detector, a second and first intermediate frequency amplifier, an FM mixer and oscillator, and our radio frequency amplifier and antenna. Also, after every single section, we had to complete a series of tests, which really helped to make sure that that section worked, so that when we moved on to the next and the next and the next, that we eventually were able to get a working and successful section, so that both of our FM and AM sections ended up working in the end. So that was great. Another super important thing we learned, or I learned, while completing this lab was really the troubleshooting aspect of it. I had never really gotten too much experience with troubleshooting, but this lab really gave me that experience. And one thing I came across was even little things, like a wrong valued resistor, which I learned through the testing. And another thing, my FM section, I had a very hard time troubleshooting it because something wasn't working in the testing, and I spent 2 weeks just testing that section and trying to figure out what was going on. But with the help of Dr. Frimpong, I was really able to successfully figure out what was wrong and fix it, so that when I finished that section and the whole FM section, I got a great signal. So I thought this project was super enjoyable, and I really liked it. Also, another thing just to note and how the radio works, so you can kind of get a gist. We have our signal that comes into our antenna, and then from there we have our tuning circuits. So part of that is our transformers, which are right here. And we were able to tune those so that that signal could turn into a broadcasting station. And then with the help of our FM mixer and oscillator and our amplifiers, we were able to purify that signal and amplify it so that we could successfully get stations for our radio. So just so you guys can hear what it sounds like.
Single white female on pure American country.
So this is what it sounds like. It might be a little fuzzy, but still a very successful radio, I would say. So this class was super nice and one of my favorites because of the hands-on aspect we got, as well as the theory aspect. Another thing I really want to talk to you guys about is our program here at SUNY Canton. So the Electrical Engineering Technology program is a wonderful program that I totally suggest because of the hands-on aspect of our program. You literally, you get to see and witness and work with all different sides and different things within the electrical engineering technology system. And I really think that you guys would all enjoy it. I mean, not only do you get to focus on certain aspects, but you get to focus on all aspects within the electrical field, which is super beneficial for you going into electrical. It gives you a very wide background. Some of the things we've focused on are motors and generators, as well as coding, as well as logic gates, as well as so many different things. And I really think you guys would enjoy it. Another thing about our program that is wonderful is our one-on-one time with our professors. Because of our small class sizes and just the way our program is set up, we are able to talk to our professors and really get to know them, as well as really asking them for help on different projects we're working on, or how we should go about something, or advice. So that's super beneficial. And in many cases, your professor can come right up to you, look at whatever you're constructing, a circuit or whatever it may be, and really help you understand what's going on. So that was really nice. So yes, please consider our program, and I highly suggest it. Thank you.